Taiwan news. Taiwan is located in the Pacific Ring of Fire, thus there are plenty of earthquakes in the eastern coastal areas. On April 3, 2024, there was a 7.2 magnitude earthquake in Hualien. Many people died or got injured because a severe earthquake occurred. Plenty of buildings, bridges, and roads were damaged owing to the aftershocks. Several buildings collapsed as a result of this 7.2 magnitude earthquake. A large number of people were buried under the debris because of the earthquake. A lot of areas experienced power outage and water outage due to this natural disaster. The quake brings damage, thus plenty of flights have been cancelled.